Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make your Shopify contact page look more professional? In this video, I will show you how to customize it step by step. First of all, log into your Shopify dashboard, go to online store, then click pages and click add page. Name it something like contact page. And click, and in the template section on the right, choose page dot contact like that. This adds Shopify's built-in contact form. Click save. Now you can add text above the form, maybe a short intro, phone number or business hours. You can also embed a Google map here. Just copy your Google Maps embed code, click the show HTML button, then in the text editor paste it in. To style the contact page, go to online store, then themes, then click customize. From the drop down at the top, choose contact page. Depending on your theme, you can add extra blocks like images, FAQs or social links around the form using the side panel. Don't forget to make it visible. Go to online store, then in the navigation bar choose your main menu. From here, choose the navigation form, choose your main menu and add a link to the new contact page, and that's it. Your contact page is now live and customized. Like, subscribe and drop a comment if you want tips for a custom form too. Thanks for watching.